We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more hard-to-guess words, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is normally said as patent, patent, with a pay sound and an emphasis on the first syllable. In American English, however, it is usually pronounced as patent, patent in American English versus patent in British English. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.